Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here on settings, then this page or in this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here CapCut. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. We search about CapCut. Then you will uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to